Back again, Lippert family, day 4, Tbar Kaizen event.
We started the day rocking and rolling with maintenance, putting all the machines exactly where they go. Marked on the floor and said, hey, we're gonna put drops here. All the drops will be nice and straight, hanging from the ceiling. You can see the maintenance team up in the sky right there, dropping the hooks. Get everything out of the way. All the railings, any inconveniences that whip could pile up was gone. Team members from all over the plant were coming over and helping out throughout the day, getting excited. Some of them were asking, hey, could I work on the line? I really want to work here. This is awesome. I love this, right? We had one person that said, hey, do you have a team lead? I would love to be your team lead. This is cool. That's what this is all about. You can see some really cool innovation happening here to get parts off the floor. And so that a little bit more ergonomic as you use that screw gun. Also new innovations, you don't have all this giant bucket full of parts. Why not just pull the vinyl right through a bucket? See the little piece of wood? Just fix-its don't have to be big improvements. Make it functional, then make it practical. Cutting holes in tables so that nice windows can slide over the parts exactly where that team member wanted the parts. Nice new racks for parts presentation and our Kanbans. As you can see, maintenance is getting at it, making the visuals nice and right front and center. And you remember that crazy idea yesterday? Check this out. Station 1, punch. Station 2, punch. Station 3, drill. Hang it on the little trolley that Mr. Pepe, our professional fabricator, made. Spin it around and check out where it lands. Right at the point of use of the plastic installer. Boom. Nothing can be sexier than that. So the one thing today is, a lot of us start as a caterpillar. Life's terrible. Everything around us tries to eat us. You have to sit and really focus on one area, make your cocoon, do the improvements, and guess what? On Monday, this line's gonna be one wicked, beautiful butterfly.